Welcome! In front of me I have Realme X2 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can remove tempered glass from your screen. So I can recommend you to start from one of the edge. For example, we are going to make it from the upper section of the screen. Let's put your fingernail underneath this glass like that. And when you make it, you can move it on the left side. And then just put the second nail. And remember to do it slowly. And as you can see, that's how you can easily remove tempered glass from your Realme X2 Pro screen. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.